Snowflake is a SaaS, managed SaaS platform which is available and is cloud agnostic in nature, available on AWS, Azure, and GCP right now as we speak. And Snowflake has actually built an entire ecosystem where once you get the data into Snowflake, you can very easily process your data, transform your data, and we can also apply different kinds of machine learning models and fine tune them. Some of the salient features which I would like to bring out are Snowpark container services, where you can bring in very powerful NVIDIA GPUs, or you could also manage your model training and model building on top of the CPUs which we have on top of Snowflake. The second aspect which I would like to bring in is Snowpark machine learning APIs, where you can actually build in your frameworks on top of Snowflake Snowpark. And the third is Snowpark model registry, where you can actually keep different versions of your model and then go for a specific model to actually train your entire data and then optimize the entire model, train it, fit it, and then inference from the same model that you have already developed. All of this also has a third picture. That is, you now have your data, you now have built your model. The third is, how do you want to show it? For that, we have got something which is Streamlit in Snowflake. Very small piece of code that we have to write on Python, and then we will be able to show it on Streamlit. So the end-to-end life cycle of the data, so that it makes sense to business, is something which we are driving at. Snowflake India actually works with a lot of partners on the technology front, and we have got a great partner connect. We also work with several vendors, partners, and several customer-facing partners of ours, where we bring in the intelligence, we bring in the ecosystem, and we also bring in the Snowflake salient features together. We put them all together, and we actually give them the value for the entire Snowflake data cloud, where you can bring in your data, you can bring in your applications, and you can bring in any kind of machine learning for your own data sets.